வணக்கம். நம்ம இப்போ யாரை பார்க்க வந்திருக்கோம்னா பாஷுநாத் சார். அவரை பார்த்து பார்த்தாவோட கொடுக்கறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கோம். வாங்க போய் பார்க்கலாம்.
Namaste. First of all, I would like to thank Lasya for choosing me for this particular award, and I thank the audience for their wonderful support. To talk a little bit about my life journey as a dancer, I hail from a small town called as Belgaum in the borders of Karnataka and Maharashtra. From my childhood, I was very interested in dance and music, and so was my mom.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಲೆ ಜಯರಮೆ ಮಂಗಳಕರ ರಂಗರಮಣಿ ಮಾರ ಜನನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಜಯೇ ಮಾಯೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕಲೆ ಜಯರಮೆ ಮಂಗಳಕರ ರಂಗರಮಣಿ ಮಾರ ಜನನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಜಯೇ अब्जमालिनी दृश्य विश्वविलासे देहि वरलक्ष्मी सुन्दरी दीप्यमान पदतले मालिनी दृश्य विश्वविलासे देहि वरलक्ष्मी सुन्दरि दीप्यमान पदतले पद्मे दिव्य तेजोमयि रक्ष मां रञ्जनि देवता पूजित श्री गुरु गुहे माये चित्तले जय रमे मंगलकर रंगरमणि मार जननी विष्णु जय माये
But unfortunately, there were not many Bharatanatyam or any kind of South Indian classical art form teachers in my town. It was only in the early 90s when my guru Shri T. Ravindra Sharma came from Mysore and settled down in Belgaum. I started my actual learning of Bharatanatyam. And from there onwards, I have been having a wonderful time being the student of this art form. I learned a lot from many dancers by watching them, by collaborating with them. I have grown as an artist under my gurus Shri Kiran Subramaniam and Srimati Sandhya Kiran. From few years, I am also being trained under Vidushi Guru Srimati Sudharani Raghupati. It's been about 10 years now. I have started this dance school, Upadhyaya School of Dance, and along with Aditya and Shruti Gopal, we have been conducting workshops, performing nationally and on international platforms through Punya Dance Company and Upadhyaya School of Dance. I'm really excited because all our students are learning really well, and hopefully we'll all be dancing with them in the future.
Astroved. We proudly deliver authentic Vedic solutions and remedy services. Become a member of Astroved today. Witness a positive shift in your life.
Sari sani sari sani sari magari sani ni sari sani sari sani sari magari sani ni ma pani za za pani za ba magari re re ma pa ni sa छीनी छीनी चरण सियाजे बढ़ावही मान हो श्रीनिवासयोनि वैकुण्ठ विराजे जय सिया राम जय सिया राम धे धे तोम तोम नम नम ता 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 धे 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 तोम 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 नम 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 इण तुम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय
Namaste, sir. So we would like to know a little bit about Punya Dance Company and Opedia School of Dance.
Punya Dance Company was established in 2012. We used to have lot of jamming sessions with lot of good friends who are amazing dancers till then. In 2012, organizer of a dance festival, Drishti Dance Festival, asked me to collaborate with some of the artists she had chosen for a particular dance festival. And that is how we all came together and started rehearsing many months before the performance. And somewhat it blended so well that we thought, why not give it a name to this and continue doing so. So that is how Punya Dance Company did come to existence. And after that, we have created Punya Krishna. That was our first production. Then we did Hara. And after that, Abha recently, and many more Margams also we have presented all over India and also many places in Africa.
So what do you think, like how much it is important for a student to have a talam sense in dance?
Sense of talam is very natural for anybody. It is not just for dancers. There is sense of rhythm in every human. Whenever anybody listens to a song, they start tapping or putting some kind of gesture, which shows that every human being has a talam sense. But when it comes to dance, especially classical art forms where we depend on certain tala systems, for example Carnatic music, and here we do lot of experiments with the talam, with the layam also sometimes. So here knowing the talam is not only important, but also working on it also becomes utmost important. Now, just because you have the talent, you won't be able to grasp anything in life. You have to put equal amount of effort in that, and that is how you will master something. And we tend to see, if you're not good at something, even though if it is necessary for the art form, we tend to ignore it. That is why I always remember Pandit Bhimsen Joshi's sir's saying, you should always work on your weaknesses when you are rehearsing, and you should always show your strength on stage.
Who's your favorite upcoming artist?
There are many. I don't think I should take names. I think all my students, all our students are very passionate. That is very nice to see. It really doesn't matter who is going to make name, fame, money and all those things really secondary. Whenever they come here to dance class or whenever they go on stage, they love being there. And that is what is required to be an artist. You have to enjoy that particular process. And I think from Bangalore itself, I can name so many who are doing amazing work, thinking out of the box, yet trying to maintain the aesthetics of the art form. And that I can see in the younger generation. They're doing an amazing job.
डम रणतूर्य चण्डमादङ्ग
डम डम रणतूर्य चण्डमार्दङ्ग
जय रङ्ग रङ्ग भज रङ्ग रङ्ग जय रङ्ग रङ्ग भज रङ्ग रङ्ग गण गण महि कंप
भवभंग
जय रंग रंग भज रंग रंग जय रंग रंग भज रंग रंग भय कर तरंग मन अंग अंग जय रंग रंग भज रंग रंग
भय कर तरंग मन अंग अंग
जय रंग रंग भज रंग रंग अनंगक भंग अक्षत परिष्वंग
अनंगक भंग अक्षत परिष्वंग
जय रंग रंग भज रंग रंग
तच्चनुतां त्रिपुरं तद्दिमितं
लय प्रलय संहार निर्मल महरंग लय प्रलय संहार निर्मल महरंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग चित तेज प्रदीप्त अधिरूढ़ भुजंग
चित तेज प्रदीप्त अधिरूढ़ भुजंग
जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग
दिं 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 तकदिन तुम 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 तकदिन दित तकदिन तुम तकदिन 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 तम
नाद अनाद्य नाहत मृदंग नाद अनाद्य नाहत मृदंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग दर्शत महाकाल रसज्ञत्व विहंग
दर्शत महाकाल रसज्ञत्व विहंग
जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग लीन प्राणपति तारापतनंग
लीन प्राणपति तारापथनंग
जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग जय रंग रंग बजरंग रंग भव रंग रंग
महरंग रंग
भव रंग रंग
महरंग रंग
श्री रंग रंग
प्रिय रंग रंग
श्री रंग रंग
What do you want to say to the young artists, like just learning?
Anybody ask me this question, I feel like I am a Baba telling the Sandesham. Who am I to give? I mean, I just want to wish all of them all the very best. This art form should give you happiness. If it is not giving you happiness, you should pause and think why, where it is going wrong. Is my approach right? Is my approach wrong? That is what we have to think about. We always think, am I on the right path? Am I on the right path? Am I going to the right path? So what is the goal? You know, we always think that everything in life is goal oriented. Yes, you have to become an IAS officer. You have to study so much and you write an exam, you become an IAS officer. So where is the end of this as an artist? What is the goal? There is no goal. This is the goal. The path is the goal. You are already on it. Enjoy it. You don't have to reach somewhere. Then what will you do after that? Jump? No. This is what you have to be. You are in the garden of beautiful flowers. You just have to enjoy. When you go to a movie, you don't have a goal, correct? You are there to enjoy that particular moment. That is how the art form is. So do not learn dance to achieve something. Learn it for the sake of learning. You will definitely achieve.
जटिने सेयं मतिशम्भवे सायं मतिः शम्भवे कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृतशशिकलाभ्याम् कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृतशशिकलाभ्याम् तपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे कुतो
taku 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 gu tam tam taku taku gu tiku tiku gu tiku tiku gu tim tim tiku gu tiku taku taku gu tam tam taku taku gu tiku tiku gu tiku tiku gu tim tim tiku gu tiku taku takena gena chaku tan dan rit taku ta taku ti do takita tim kidu tarigadu tanna 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 tam tam dana tanna du 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 dum dum tarra tarra takita tim kidu tarigadu takita tim kidu tarigadu takita tim kidu tarigadu takita takati dati tutati kita tutakita tim kidu tarigadu takita takati dati tutati kita tutakita tim kidu tarigadu takita takati dati tutati kita kidu takita takati dati tutati kita tutakita tim kidu tarigadu kidu tarigadu kidu tarigadu tam tam kidu tarigadu kidu tarigadu kidu tarigadu tam 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 kidu tarigadu kidu tarigadu kidu tarigadu tam.
We are so humbled to present this Rasikas Award to Guru Sri Parshvanath Upadhyaya sir.
I feel really privileged to have been bestowed with Partha Award. I thank each and everyone who made this possible. Thank you so much, Rasikas.